Covalent bonding. So, covalent compounds are formed when electrons are shared between atoms. As you can see over here, there are electrons being shared. Only non-metal elements can participate in covalent bonding. Now, when two or more atoms are chemically bonded together, we call them as molecules. As you can see over here, this is hydrogen. Now, hydrogen has one electron in its outer shell. So it needs two electrons to be satisfied. So what is going to happen? Two electrons are going to covalently bond together. So now this hydrogen has two electrons and this hydrogen also has two electrons. So they are both satisfied. So chlorine has 7 electrons in its outer shell. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So it needs total of 8 electrons to be fully satisfied. That means it needs one more electron. So what is going to happen? Both the chlorines are going to share their electrons. So one electron, so this electron is being shared from this chlorine and this electron is shared from this chlorine. That means that they have total of 8 electrons and they are fully satisfied.